we'll guide you through how to recover deleted photos from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Trash. This is where all your deleted files, including photos, are stored temporarily. You need to remember that files in the trash are only kept for 30 days before they're permanently deleted. If your photos are still within this window, you'll be able to recover them. In the trash, scroll through the files to find the photos you want to recover. You can use the search bar at the top if you know the name of the file or any specific details to narrow down the search. Once you find the photos you want to recover, right-click on each photo and select Restore. This will move them back to their original location in your drive. If you have multiple photos to recover, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking to select multiple files, then right-click and choose Restore. It's important to note that if the photos have been in the trash for more than 30 days, they might be permanently deleted. Unfortunately, in such cases, unless you have a backup, the photos may not be recoverable. To avoid future mishaps, consider regularly backing up your photos to another cloud service or an external hard drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.